Good evening all, this is Wild Weather for LiveWeatherBlogs.com. Just doing a quick nowcasting. We have a small event going through here, but nonetheless it is snowing now here lightly in the Media, Delaware County area. Currently the cars are whitened, and basically the snow is accumulating on the ground here on contact right now. Currently we have a dusting of snow. This radar image here from Intelecast.com. And as you can see, the entire area of snow is sinking off to the southeast. Now, this morning I thought that there would be a fairly significant chance of some snow flurries and snow showers, and indeed this is it here. I was thinking that it was going to be because of a warming situation with the warm air coming aloft. Well, yes and no. We do have warming coming in aloft, which is causing the area of snow. Sorry about that. But there is also a disturbance here that is developing to the south, and then we're going to be redeveloping and moving out to sea. Before doing so, though, basically Philadelphia, Delaware counties, and southeastern Chester County, extreme southeastern Lancaster County, and now moving southeast from there, is a pretty moderate band of snow. So if you're anywhere in southern Delaware County, say from Media to especially Boothwyn and Chester City there along I-95 points south and west down to Baltimore, expect a quick burst of snow, and some areas may pick up a dusting to definitely a dusting, probably a quarter to almost an inch of snow, maybe almost a half an inch of snow. Say a quarter to 8/10 of an inch of snow tonight, and some of these bands are getting a little heavier through northern Delaware, Wilmington down here toward moving toward the Dover area. So South Jersey, you're not out of the woods here too, because this is probably going to sweep further south and east. So basically, Philadelphia south and east has a good shot of snow tonight. Kudos to McDaniel on his blog from a couple of days ago. He followed the NAM, and NAM suggested there would be some snow. Basically, roughly, he had a snow map that looked something like this in south and west, and it worked out pretty well. It's always very difficult to pinpoint where these snows are going to fall, but here it is. It's basically Philadelphia points south and east tonight. Over here to Fort Dix, and moving down to Atlantic City. This will sweep through. You can see rain down here. It's a little warmer. This is the warm air coming up now. 26 degrees here in Philadelphia, but it is considerably warmer down just south and east of D.C. So D.C., Baltimore, Wilmington, Philadelphia, Millville, Dover, and down through the Jersey, South Jersey, and probably southern Delaware. Look for some snow. Evaporational cooling will happen down here. You will see some snow down here. Here is hamweather.com. This is the water vapor map that we look at. This is a nowcasting. You can see here is the disturbance that's causing the snow right now. It's getting ready to move offshore. So here it comes, coming down along the flow, northwesterly flow, and is now beginning to turn the corner. Got a little bit more blocking going on, but the storm is now taking off, so this will follow suit. So this storm dives in. Maybe a little bit of moisture gets thrown back here along the Jersey Shore. We'll see what happens. You get a couple more bursts of snow. Maybe you pick up an inch of snow surprise tonight, as McDaniel said the other day, our member. So we'll see what happens. The storm will definitely lift out, and behind the storm is warming air. Look for temperatures to be near 50 again by Friday, and in the 50s on Saturday. Really no signs yet of any snow down the way, but we'll take a look and see what the models say tonight for snow prospects in the future. One good sign I saw, another one of our members, Brian Lynch, and obviously you saw staff met Joe Spang the other day, and also Bobby Matrich talking about the stratospheric warming going on. That's going to be rapid up there in the Arctic regions, and that usually within 1 to 3 weeks does indicate that a very cold pattern may be potentially setting up in this part of the country right in here. So the cold air comes. If we can get this southern branch, you see moisture gathering out here again, southern branch to get active, it could be a very fun end of January and February. That's all I have for tonight, folks. I'll take a look at the models later on. This was a nowcasting special with the light snow cruising through South Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania. Look for a quarter to a half inch, maybe a few isolated spots getting just an inch or just over. It is fluffy snow. Its fluff factor is very high. Dew point here in Media 13 degrees above 13 degrees of Fahrenheit, that is, and looking at 41%, 46% in terms of humidity, some of this may not be hitting the ground, but it certainly is here in media, and chances are it probably is in northern Delaware and southeast New Jersey. Maybe the storm throws a little moisture in, but we'll see. So all I have is wild weather for liveweatherblogs.com. Have a great night.